NEET aspirants. Here I am again to help you out in the chapter Animal Kingdom. Now hurry up with your NCERT textbooks. Let's read together, underline together, memorize together, and answer together. Let's crack NEET. Right? So now here as usual, Animal Kingdom chapter I have been projected to you. And in that, I already marked and kept the previous year NCERT questions. Now let us see all the things, all the important points, one by one by reading the NCERT, so that this will give you a quick recap so that you can memorize your past knowledge and you can able to make your short-term memory into permanent memory. Alright? Stay tuned with me. Come, let's go together and read together. Alright? Here I am. Chapter 4 we are discussing, that's Animal Kingdom. In this chapter, we are going to be discuss the basis of classification and classification of animals. And now, we are going to be start. We look around. You will be observe different animals with a different structures and forms. As a million species of animals have been described till now. The need for the classification becomes all the more important. The classification also helps in assigning systematic position to newly described species. In this paragraph, mostly questions will not come, but let us understand. Here we are discussing in this paragraph, there will be a million number of species so far we have been discovered that has been kept under this animal kingdom. And this arrangement, keeping that animals in a different phylums in a systematic manner, will help us to understand what kind of animal and what is its habitat, how it's a living, what is their fertilization, what kind of a larva it's going to be having. All those things will be having a knowledge to us. So that's only telling here in this paragraph. Next, let us see here basis of classification. In spite of a different in a structure and form of a different animals, there are fundamental features common to various individuals in a relation to the arrangement of a cells, body symmetry, nature of coelom, patterns of a digestive system, circulatory or reproductive system. Very good. And these features are used as the basis of animal classification, and some of them are described here. Okay. What is the question can be possible here, students? Let us say here, what are the, from the following, what are the points can be taken? What are the factors can be taken? What are the features can be taken to classify the animal kingdom? So now here, what are the things we have to list out here? The listing out I am just giving to you. You can see that the cell kind, what are the cells? Either it is a unicellular or multicellular. This is what the thing. And next one, body symmetry. Whether it is asymmetry, radial symmetry or bilateral symmetry. So what is that kind of animal is having? So that going to be given knowledge here. And nature of coelom. The second one is that body symmetry. Body symmetry. And the third one is that nature of a coelom. What kind of a coelom the animal is having? Body cavity. Coelom in the sense body cavity. So now nature of the coelom in the sense there will be acoelomates where there is no coelom. And then here pseudocoelomates and true coelomates. The true coelomates also mentioned as eucoelomates. So further we are going to be discussed anyhow. Okay. Now these are the things. And next, pattern of digestive system. Digestive system usually will be having only one. No. How can you use this one for the classification of animals? That is our question now. Now, pattern of digestive system in the sense, if the digestive system is having two openings, that is here complete digestive system. All the organisms will not be having this. Only few organisms will be having this mouth and anus will be present. Whereas in some organisms only one opening will be present, that is mouth alone. So in that particular pattern you have to mention here incomplete digestive system. Of course, digestive system is the one. But here, if it is having the two openings, you will mention it's like a complete digestive system. If it is having like a single opening, you will mention it's like a incomplete digestive system. So that's what that point also has been taken here for the classification. Next we go here is that circulatory system. Okay, so digestive system, and next one is that circulatory system. How this circulatory system has been taken a feature to classify this animal kingdom? Circulatory system again divided into two types, whether it is a closed circulatory system or open circulatory system. It depends on the blood vessels development. If the blood vessels are absent or poorly developed, that comes under open circulatory system. If the blood vessels are well developed, the blood flows in the closed blood vessels, that is called here closed circulatory system. All the animals will not be having the same thing. Some will be having here open circulatory system, some will be having closed circulatory system. Hence, this feature also we have been taken to classify the animals. Alright, and now we go here reproductive system. Reproductive system, how it will help here to classify the animals. Reproductive system is also, can be seen it here, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. And in the reproduction, fertilization again, internal fertilization, external fertilization. Many aspects are there. So based on this here, again this feature also we are using it. Why? Sexual reproduction is not the same for all the organisms. So that this feature also we have been taken to classify the animals. Now let us have an idea now. What are the features will help for the basis of animal classification? That's what here you have to mention: cells, body symmetry, nature of the coelom, pattern of digestive system, circulatory system, reproductive system. All these features